How to open a TSB Current Bank account online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can open a TSB UK Current Bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To open a current account online on the TSB Bank for UK citizens is actually very simple. You have to go and first of all launch a Safari browser or any of the other browsers that you might be using, and then just go to tsb.co.uk. I repeat, tsb.co.uk. I'm also going to make sure to drop a link below. Once you come to the website, if you look under the quick link section, you'll find this option called find a current account. So make sure to tap the find a current account option. Now you can simply choose the type of current account that you would like to create on TSB Bank. So over here you can see view accounts, you can see spend and save plus account, you can see different types of current accounts that are available for use. So all you have to do is tap on this ready to apply button here. Once you tap on ready to apply button, as you can find it over here on the next specific page, you'll find the apply now button again. So make sure to go ahead and then tap on that option. As you've done that, it will also prompt you if you would like to apply in the application or you would like to apply online. But since in this case I'm already on the website, I'll just tap the apply now option for the online option. Once I've done that, it will take me to the page where I can simply include some other personal details such as a legal name, legal date of birth, legal age, and legal everything. You'll be able to go ahead and then enter those details. After you've done that, just make sure to enter your addresses as well as permanent. Make sure that all the details over here are legal details, because next time it is going to ask you to verify with your legal documents. After you've done that, just tap the next option from the very bottom of the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions and a bank account will get created. But just to activate it, you might want to visit the bank depending upon what the bank tells you to do. This way you'll be able to create a current bank account online for TSB Bank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.